What's up, guys? I know you've seen me, I'm sorry my camera's all out of whack, with this thing before. It is a Parrot swing. We're gonna toss it up here, we're gonna let her fly. She is the quadcopter that takes off like a quad and flies like a wing. It's really windy out today, so we're gonna see how well she fares out here in the wind a little bit. She's already fighting me a little bit. Well, that's okay though. And she gets quieted out. Go from Hosim. This thing is pretty nice, oil-filled shocks, and I've decorated it a little bit with a rough paint pen. As you can tell, I've highlighted all the little things red, but it's very cool. It has GPS, also has oil-filled shocks, and a heatsink fan. I don't know if you can hear that. That is the sound of a cooling fan. Let's let her rip and see what she does. Oh, and I forgot to mention too, one push button. Oh yeah. Got kind of a little Futaba type remote, but you know, it's cool for what it is. Has steering trim and everything else. Let's stop talking and get to walking.